Where are we? This is so stupid. Cave 7, you were bad in the last video, and now you're bad in this video. Come on, stop it. No, what's happening? There's something called coronavirus. The heck is coronavirus? It's a disease that came from China, and now it's spreading around and it's killing people or something. Yeah, that sounds cool. I want to die. Stop, you don't want to die. If you die, then you're not going to see people again. I'm glad. Stop it. No. I'm going to take away your favorite ball. No. I'm going to delete your Minecraft world. No. I'm going to delete your Dynamite Heady data. No, I got to Twin Freaks. Stop. No. Fine. So what's coronavirus? It is a disease that came from China that has been spreading to different countries and continents. Only a few deaths have occurred in the US, but it's still very bad because it is so new and everyone is trying to create vaccines for it. How do you know so much of a coronavirus? You're stupid. First of all, I am not stupid. You are the stupid one, who is always the stupid idiot that is lame at parties and sings the My Little Pony theme. Second of all, I know this because I am smart, unlike you idiots. Oh, I just got roasted. Well, how are we gonna defend ourselves? I don't care. You're stupid. Prove it. You're gonna make us lose subscribers. But that's the point. No, it isn't. What's the point of this channel? I don't know, fun. No, it isn't fun. It's stupid. You're stupid. No, you. I'm scared. Good. Well, okay, guys, just stop fighting. Me and Cave 14 are gonna build a protection. Build something, because apparently us cave sounds are even more likely to get infected because we're everywhere, especially in caves. Well, I don't care, you're stupid. No, you. You got roasted. I don't care. You're stupid. Okay, I don't care. I'm so dumb. I'm joining you guys. Come on. Yeah, I thought you died. Yeah, but Cave 14 over here survived and got help. He's stupid. He got killed by black hole, and you killed by stupid thing, and you killed by Twin Freaks. That's what the question mark boss was? Yeah, you're stupid. Just like that stupid dog. That's Sniffy. Oh, I don't care. He sniffs too much. Just sit over there and get a timeout. You're stupid. We're in preschool, apparently. Okay, well, as we ignore Cave 7's stupid roast, how are we going to defend ourselves, Cave 14? We should build a shelter, but there's only a few deaths here. Yes, but we are more likely to get coronavirus because we are everywhere. Oh. In fact, I think I have it. I am starting to feel a little weird. Prove it. So that. I was trying to make my cave sound, but it came out as that. I think you got a sore throat. Bruh, 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 bruh. Okay, well guys, I found this cool thing. I think I see someone with coronavirus over there. It's that creeper. I've got coronavirus. He doesn't look like it. Yeah. Yeah, well, he does. I can tell. He's that idiot we killed in the last video. Shut up. The last video was that tree one where the tree was over the pond. Oh yeah, but the one before. Stop. You're all becoming Cave 7 copies. He is right. I got roasted. Wait, my favorite ball! Your favorite ball. Yeah, I have a favorite ball I got for Christmas. Dude, you didn't get anything. Why? Because last year you were crazy. On Thanksgiving, you spread the turkey meat all over the cave because you thought we would eat it. But no, it got rotten. Okay, so. And on Easter, you threw eggs all over our rooms in the cave. I care. Well, get the ball. You're acting like a 2-year-old getting a little ball. That's ageist. You stole that from a TV show on Cartoon Network. Okay. Well, I've got my favorite ball because I got that for you last Christmas because I felt bad for you. No one was getting you presents. They were calling you names like stupid head, dumb head, twin craps. Ooh, you swore. I care. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, well, this video technically isn't for kids now. I know. It isn't for kids. I'm not lying. Our channel isn't for kids anymore. Technically. Yeah, well, guys, now I have my stupid favorite bowl. We're swearing a lot, too. That proves it. So, not swearing, but you know. Look, now I got my favorite ball, so now we're ready to hide. Wait. What, cave 10? Where's cave 15? Oh. But, he died. Oh, he meant from what? I don't know, something. I am going to put up the shelter. Anyone want a curry? Nah, but I feel like you just did Pokemon Sword and Shield stuff. Oh. What are you doing? Building the tent. Almost there. Is everyone ready to stay safe? You're stupid. No, you. Oh. I'm not sure I understand the situation. Get through there. This hurts. You are ruining my body. Okay. You were originally a big blob of metal. Now you're a big blob of blobby metal. Cave 14 has evolved into Blobby Cave 14. Shut up. Their memes are stupid. That wasn't a meme, that was a joke. Their jokes are stupid. Well, Snippy, we need to say oh, never. Isn't it the end of the world right now? Because Claudius. No one cared. You said that in the other video. Or someone did. Forgot. I care. What does touche mean? I think it like ends a sentence. Then touche. Whoa. What? I want food. This is going to be a long night. I need my food. Oof. Oh, Coke. What am I? Is this empty? Empty. Ooh, talkies. There for now. Well, there's a microwave. But there's a reflection that you can actually look visual. R.I.P. Rest in pieces. It's depressing. Where did those grapefruit come from? I saw something delicious. Got it. What's that? It's a cheese. It's a cheese. What's a cheese? It's a cheese. I'm gonna go the long way to kind of give a tour of our house now. It's the end of the universe right now. It's 2020. Isn't there an asteroid in April? No. I read a couple websites that said it was gonna pass us, so no need to be safe. No need I need to worry about. What's that? Sniffy. Rest in peace. Well, that's someone's problem, not mine. The heck? I'm done with life. I got my cheese. Why don't you show the viewers some stupid signs you made? Alright, you noobs, don't mean that. Here we have stupid evolution. Now we have this stuff. No one cares about us. We have this. And I made this in 2015 sometime. And I made that. And that. And that. And that. And that sticker. No, you didn't make the sticker. And that. And, ooh, yeah. Don't go all the way over there. That's stupid. And here's got this stupid thingy. And RIP. And this stuff. And ooh, spooky. And that is, oh. And there's stuff on the floor, but I'm supposed to care. I'm done. Where's your cheese? Guys, where'd my cheese go? I ate it. Are you serious? I'm gonna die then. I wanna die from starvation rather than some stupid virus. Snippy just grabbed the McDonald's bag I put on the ground. You're just trashing our cave. I was watching our channel earlier. I care. Oh, dribble. Don't! That's my ball, stupid Cave 10. What are you doing with my Peter Piper pizza bowl? You idiot. No, you. Now, at least if we're gonna die in peace. And that. Heck was that? You're stupid. That was the wind. I shall now use my telekinesis to move that thing and fling it towards you, Cave 7. No. Didn't even hit me. You actually sounded surprised rather than stupid, ugly, shady, and old. I'm not old. Yeah, you came out in like alpha or beta or something? Around that. Who cares? By the way, Minecraft changed how cave sounds work in one of the 1.16 snapshots. Who's doing that? Ew! Ew! Whoever did that, it was extremely cringy. That was me. You're cringy. No, you. That sounded like a gun. It sounded like a gun, like machine gun. Oh my god, it did, yes. It sounded like a gun, Cave 7. Your fart sounded like a machine gun. I care. Are you gonna be with us or not? Because you're gonna die. Hi, Sniffy. This reminds me of a Sniffy video. Well, at least it can't get any worse. You wanna know what can get worse? April 2020. What's that?